Good afternoon. Just breathe. Breathe in calm. Don't breathe out drugs. Fuck drugs and alcohol. And I'm a hippie and all that. So what? It doesn't mean we do drugs. It means we have peace and love unless you're a piece so ass and then you get... Never mind. Anyways. What's going on here? Why do we do everything backwards? We spend a bunch of money on military technology to kill each other and less on medical technology to cure each other. I don't know. Maybe if we had a president that was not a celebrity or a fucking oil man or a fucking corn fan. It's fine if they're corn fed, but corn, seriously, the band, chick bum, chicka baka bum, bum, chick bum. The fuck does that mean? I'm in a bad mood. All right, let me restart this show. Hold on. Take 5 and think about it. Long-haired freaky people need to know how to fly. You can lead a hippie to blotter, but you can't stop him from eating it. Or her. You can't stop us from eating that blotter. You can lead us to it, please. Okay? Alright? And then go home. Leave us alone. Pay us our money. Hey guys, so what you doing? I'm sitting down here, I'm sitting on this over the eyes, I'm sitting here. I see you in the morning, I was sitting on my soul, I was eating dinner last night, and I was fucking eating that steak and potato, and I was like, hey, what am I gonna do tomorrow? I'm probably gonna do the same thing I did today. Shabba-dabba-doo, I stole that from another comedian too, and I hair is longer than you, and I don't shave a lot, but I shave today, and save the day, 'cause I am Superman with a super J. Did you guys catch all that? Did you catch that? I was talking like this because